Kunci ke sana, kunci ke sana.
Alright, Sanggoe, anytime, my bro. Wow, such a smooth skater. All you back left, slide. Going to back deep. Oh, just gonna slide out like it's nothing. So natural. Let's go. Are you kidding me? Wow! What is that? Hurricane!
Aku mah kampret.
Dude, no jump, different run! This is skateboarding, bro. Highest level right here. So nice! Surfing, new style for days. 10 seconds, good at it. Nice! That's that cross line. Ah! Oh my goodness, bro!
Yeah!
Wow!
He seems like running out of the trick, yeah? Everything he does.
Perfect run! I know Jeff Gonzalez is really happy for him. At the same time, not so happy.
Whoa!
Front side feeble down the A-stair handrail is not easy for sure.
And also he got style, right?
Such a natural style. Like he is one of the best, to be honest. He's one of the Asian best too.
Yeah.
Still waiting for the point. Look at his face. Oh, handsome. Smiling. Shy. That's a nice one. I think that's a nice one. It's fair. Mana suaranya Palembang?
Yeah, right.
Judges, are you ready? Sanggoe, whenever you're ready, bro, let's do this.
So wow,
itu pinggangnya terbikin dari apa itu?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, no. Killing it. Oh. Ian, sorry, no skating if it's not your call, okay? No skating on the course if it's not your call. Thank you. Thank you very much. The next one from China. Go. Qin Xia. Wow. Sanggoe got 7.7. 7.7. Judges, are you ready? Hold on, Tanjung, tunggu sebentar ya. Tunggu sebentar. Alright, Sanggoe, whenever you're ready, bro. The course is yours. Oh! Goodness, at all time. Backside spin grind down the handrail. It's, ask me, it's not easy, man. It's a difficult trick.
Yeah, you have to.
And he did it like nothing. Like, oh, okay, backside spin grind. It's all good.
Take a look at the replay.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. C'est prepare.
You get the blind spot there, right?
Wow, beautiful. Look at that twig. Tepuk tangannya untuk Sanggoe dong, bagus sekali tuh mainnya.
Tujuh koma dua.
7.2 again. Frontside board slide on the rail. Wow! Whoa. Big flip front board. It's insane.
So how's the score going to be?
I can't wait to see the score. This is super technical.
So natural move there also, right? Three.
Wah.
7.7. Look at that tray flip lip slide. Oh my goodness. Wait, I think it was a lip. It's a lip slide, bro.
See?
It's a lip slide. All right, judge, make the call.